Jay Linbo here. I am out for my first ski of the season. I'm at Botno Winter Park. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm super late and I'm super hype. This is my first time ever using a GoPro, and I am really excited to film my journey for all the world to see, because I have a lot of fun. These are the type of things that people can come and do just by themselves, you know, and this is one of those things that even when you do it by yourself, you wish that there was other people watching, you know. And so to me, that's why I love the GoPro. That's why I'm excited about it. My generous father gave me an early inheritance of 2 GoPro Hero 4s, and 2 of them. I'm like, who does that? That is awesome. So I got my skis here, and I've got my boots on, and I'm ready to go. So we're gonna head on in and we're gonna see if we can figure out how to work this thing for an extended period of time. All right, we're finally on the slopes. I'm gonna try recording while I'm skiing. Don't know how it's gonna go here. I need to get waxed here real bad. Pretty nice snow out here today. You got nice powdery snow all over my skis here. We're on our backing out here, maybe 3rd run of the day or something like that. No, 5th probably. No, 4th. Yeah, we'll call it 4. But anyway, what I need to do here, so you see it's packed. What I need to do here is get a body mount or a helmet mount for skiing, so I don't have to do this crap. But for today, we'll make it work. Oh yeah, it's just powdery out here. Beautiful. Well, I've had my goddamn finger in front of the camera the whole time. As you can see, folks, the weather is just beautiful here, and there is no better way to spend a Sunday afternoon on a beautiful winter's day. So we're gonna go finish the rest of our run here. I almost lost the camera, and the camera's almost dead already, and I've taken about 4 videos, but if all goes well, make it through this one, so we're good. Just powder. We got it. Got a very light grip on the camera. It could easily fall out of my hand at any time. But it didn't.